Alright, how to indicate your vise or get 0 on your vise. Because if it's not 0 all the way around, then when you put your part in, you will be off. Alright, take your indicator, hook it up like this. You're going to roll it all the way across until it is the same number across. Turn it just where you want it. I'm going to have it at 5. That. Alright. Now I'm going to drag it across with the X. If it doesn't stay in the 5, you have to hit the vise to get it to its desired location. So I'll show you right here. See the number right there. See that? Just hit it slightly. Go all the way across. Alright? Still not there. So I'm gonna hit it to where now it has to go back this way. So numbers should read the same all the way across. And there you have it. Your vise is now indicated or zeroed. Alright?